Jo.
Right now.
You will get over this stop. After this, we'll take a train. Look, people are swimming there. Look. Why this spot?
So it's our second time around to come here. And we are now in Rigi. So guys, we are going back in that mountain, and then we are here in our train, and we are sitting in the left side. And later we will see the view. So we are going. Really a perfect view, guys. You can see the view here. This is our second day to come here. Wow. You see, guys, it's very beautiful here. Ganda, di ba? Nag-stop pa talaga dito sa magandang view na to. That's our last stop, Rigi Kulm.
for Janet and Eric Barcelona watching away. So we wish you a Congratulations, day after the beautiful.
So guys, we are here in the mountain of Rigi, and today the weather is very nice. There's a lot of people today. Unlike yesterday, we don't appreciate the weather, but today it's very nice.
Stick like that for you, like the guy there.
So here we can see the view, very beautiful. There's a lot of people here in the restaurant. We don't have a space and we don't have a table. And then guys, a lot of people. A lot of people today. It's a lot of people. It's a lot of people now. This is the famous restaurant and hotel here in the mountain of Rigi. That's the antenna. Yesterday we didn't see that one well. Now we are going. Wait. So the antenna, we can see it already. It's very clear. So guys, we are here now in the top of the mountain of Rigi, and this is the antenna of Rigi. It's very big. This is the view. And you can see it's all beautiful lake. Yesterday we didn't see this one because the weather was bad, but now we came here for the second day and we see the view here, and it's beautiful. And there's a lot of houses there. So guys, andito ako sa mountain ng Rigi. Dito yan sa Switzerland. At ito yung background ko. Kita niyo. Ang ganda. Tapos kahapon nagpunta tayo dito pero pangit ang weather ngayon. Maganda na ang weather. So makikita na natin ang view. Ayan ang view dito. Mainit masyado ngayon. So kahapon is ano siya, foggy. So wala tayong nakita na kahit anong view dito, pero ngayon meron na. Yan, dami mga tao ngayon. Ayan, i-zoom in natin para makita ninyo sa baba. Zoom out. Ayan, so yun. So dito makikita natin ang panorama ng buong lake at yung sa baba kung ano doon meron. Ayan. Tapos doon tayo. Ayan guys. So lakad tayo. Ang dami mga tao ngayon kasi magandang weather. Kahapon pangit. Ayan. Tapos magla-live ako after this para i-share ko din sa inyo sa mga Facebook friend ko yung place kung saan tayo ngayon. Ayan. Ayan siya guys. Super ganda, diba? Ayan. Madami din naglalakad doon. Dito yung mga bahay din. So ayun, dito sa background natin, ito yung makikita natin. Ayan, i-rotate ko lang para makita ninyo ha. Ayan, at ito yung antena, yung famous antena dito sa Rigi Mountain. Ayan siya guys. Super init dito, grabe. Mainit yung weather ngayon compare kahapon. So ayun, tingnan ninyo mga tao doon naglalakad. Ang cute ng aso, picturean natin yung aso. Ayan, dito din. So i-take natin yung video dito, tapos magla-live na tayo. Ayan siya guys. So ayan na, tapos na guys. Hanggang doon. Ang antena. Daming tao ngayon. Everywhere daming tao.